So the Ninja Blast is said to be one of the best portable food blenders that you can buy. And if you're thinking of purchasing one, today's video might help you out. I'm going to put it through its paces, we're going to make some smoothies, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know so you're making the right purchase choice. So let's get into this. Hi everyone, it's Carl here from Carl's Review Lab. Today I have with me a brand new Ninja Blast portable blender. So first thing we need to do is let's get it unboxed and then let's put it through its paces. Okay, so the first thing I always like to do is do a bit of quality control check. So we have the instructions, pretty standard. We'll have a look at those later. There's a little bit of instructions here. Before use, fully charge the blender for at least 2 hours. That's a shame that it doesn't come fully charged, but that's understandable because I know a lot of courier services don't allow you to post items like batteries that are fully charged. So that's okay, we can live with that. So we have this, don't know what that's for just yet, we'll have a look. Let's have a look at the top. So overall quality wise, it looks and it feels like you would expect from a Ninja product. It feels quality, it feels premium. We have a soft rubber base there, so it's non-slip. It says, when solid purple, press for 30 seconds to blend. So I think that means when the light is a solid purple color, it's ready to blend. We have the charging point at the back. So hopefully that comes inside. So let's see if we can open this. So it just unscrews. And then we have some more things inside. So we have what looks like a lid. We also have the USB to USB-C, by the looks of it, cable. We have some more instructions, basically for recipes, and the blade is already inside. So that is already pre-fitted, which is good. I don't like messing about with a sharp blade, so I'm glad that that's there. Okay, so now we've done the unboxing and we've done the quality control test. Let me tell you a few important things first before we go on and demonstrate making a smoothie. So first of all, in my naivety, when I first saw this, I thought that possibly you blended everything in here and then you just carried the whole thing with you. And I thought that seems a bit strange. Who wants to carry a big, solid, rechargeable food blender around with you? But it's not how it works. So obviously this top comes off. I have just now realized this, and these attachments that we get are for carrying the blender. So the first one is the safety cap for the unit. So you would just put this safety cap on and that will go into storage at home, and your smoothie will be in here. And this is the cap for the smoothie. So that will go on the bottom, and that's where your smoothie is going to be, and that's where you'll carry that to the gym or wherever. Now it makes sense. Originally, I don't know why I thought you carried the whole thing, but I did. So that's one of the revelations that's just come across me. So let's just have a look how that's going to work. If we put this back on, there is 2 alignments at the back. Hopefully you can see there's 2 white lines. So you need to make sure those 2 white lines are aligned. That's important. And there's also a minimum level for the liquid inside as well. So that's important to remember. And then obviously we have the drinking cap at the top. So I've put it on charge. Why don't we give this a try, see what it's like, and then we'll take the base off of it, we'll put the cap on it, and we'll see how portable it really is. Okay, so we've got a very simple strawberry smoothie recipe here. We've got half a glass of milk, we've got 4 large strawberries, we've got some natural yogurt, and we have some ice. So this is going to be a good test, particularly with the ice, to see how the food blender performs. So let's first of all always start with the liquid. So let's pour the liquid in. There we go. Next, let's place our strawberries inside. Very simple. And then we're going to place 2 or 3 large spoonfuls of natural yogurt. There we go. And just to finish that off, we're going to place a couple of large ice cubes. Let's put the lid back on. Nice and tight. And then we're going to press the start button. So let's switch it on. The purple light is flashing. Let's press it and it will blend for 30 seconds at a time. Okay, so that's done now. The light has gone to yellow. So let's have a look after 30 seconds what consistency we have. And straight away, hopefully you can see that we do have a very smooth blend. So let's just pour a little bit of that out and see what the consistency looks like. Okay. And I can tell you there is no bits left in that at all. I did actually think that we might need to put it on 2 or 3 blends, but that is one 30-second blend and that is very smooth. Let me just try and demonstrate the consistency of it. And there's no ice or anything in that. That is really, really impressive. I don't actually think that needs another blend, but I am going to give it one more blast just to see if there is a difference. So let's just put the lid back on, nice and tight, and give it another 30 seconds. Okay, so that's now completed. So that's had 2 30-second cycles. And let's just see what the difference is. Let's pour it into that one. And let's have a look at the difference. That compared to that. Honestly, there's no difference at all. So it does look like just a 30-second first cycle will be enough for a strawberry smoothie. Okay, so this is where the portable side of things come in. If we tip that upside down, we can now remove the actual blender. There we go. And we can now put the lid on our smoothie cup. And will it leak? No, absolutely fine. So that's the portable side of things. And then obviously we can wash the base and then we can put the safety cap on top so that blade isn't a hazard. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Now for the all-important taste test. That's really good. I think it needs a little bit of ice cream in there. That would make it even thicker and even nicer. But the recipe is kind of irrelevant. It was mainly to test how the machine performs and how portable it is. And I actually get the idea now. I really didn't at first, like I say, thinking that this whole thing had to come with you, and now realise that it's just this, which is absolutely fantastic. You can see it is not leaking. There's nothing coming out of it. I'd be quite happy to take this everywhere with me. Not a drop coming out of this at all. And then the lid just pops open and it is a normal kind of travel flask there with a nice little handle. So yeah, it has in total around 14 fluid ounces, which is about 400 millilitres, I believe. In English terms, that's around a pint by the looks of it. And yeah, I think that's enough just to take with me to the gym or when I go play golf. That would be a good idea. So overall, yeah, the Ninja Food Blaster comes with a 2-year warranty. I highly recommend it. All the reviews I've seen online confirm what I have just found out. It does exactly what it should do. I was very surprised. One blend for 30 seconds chopped up those ice cubes and it honestly just went through it with ease. It really, really did. So yeah, very impressed. If you're thinking of buying one, hopefully this review has helped you out.